Lagos, Nigeria. It's been a while, actually 2 weeks ago. I went to South Africa, I enjoyed my time in South Africa, but today we're going to talk about an installation I did of a SIG Energy 12 kilowatt inverter with 36 kilowatt hours in batteries and 16 kilowatts in solar panels. But before I tell you about this, I want to start by saying thank you to all my subscribers. Thank you to those of you that comment on a regular basis. I'm pretty happy to see you. Thank you so much. It's because of you that I've grown the channel as much as I have. So if you're new to the channel and you've not subscribed, please smash that subscribe button. So here we go to the video. And her biggest complaint is that she spends 100,000 naira every 4 days on electricity. In a country where the minimum wage is 75,000 naira, 100,000 naira every 4 days is a ridiculous amount of money. It doesn't matter how rich you are. That she was spending 4,000 every 4 days on electricity. And before that, someone had come and had done installation in her house, and it was a total disaster. It was an SHI, feel the last word, show. She made them remove it, and she was very apprehensive until a customer of ours told her, go to AWPS Renewable Energy, come to Dr. Solar. Being a system design, we came up with a solution, 12 kilowatt SIG Energy inverter, 36 kilowatt hours in batteries, and then what we did was we repositioned the existing panels. So you see the video showing you where we repositioned the panels. As you can see, we repositioned the solar panels. We went over the connections, replaced missing MC4 connectors, and then we drew higher voltage strings. So our strings are about 450 volts each. So we used rails such as these. They didn't use something like this, so we call this aluminum profiles. They're about 4.8 meters long, 3 times 8, so it's about 14 feet, give or take. And then we restringed it just like I said, and then that was it. As you can see in the video, Mercy is a new technician. As you see, she's a bundle of joy. It took them less than 45 minutes. The longest part was the base, putting the ground mount kit. We already had the base pre-built. Once the ground mount was done, we stacked them 1, 2, 3, and the 4th was the inverter. That was done. There are hangers on the side we used to secure the batteries to one another, and then the battery to the inverter, and that was all there was to it. Then the gateway was installed. Once the gateway was installed, it was time to connect. Connection was a no-brainer. The guys, you take, on the app, you click the plus button, you scan, it takes you through the process to start, and within 10 minutes, you've commissioned the system and it's ready to go. We installed this and we forget. Now, what has been the customer's experience been? It's been an amazing experience for this customer. She's had an amazing time. She actually was so excited that she sent pictures to her brother, and her brother wants to get the exact same system. So she's now realizing savings. The first day alone, she saved 50% on electric bill. On a very good day, she can generate over 90 kilowatt hours of electricity. On an average day, she will do anywhere between 20 and 30 kilowatt hours. Her average consumption is about 50 to 60 kilowatt hours every day. So this should more than be enough during the summer months or during the sunny months to power her needs 100%. If you like what you see, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Give me 2 thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, smash that subscribe button. Once again, this is Dr. Solar coming to you from Lagos, Nigeria.